I want to open, never mind. I just put like this. Banyak pohon salak. Ada salak.
Yeah,
Yeah, ada. Babe, never mind. I don't want to take now.
No, babe. I'm not asking you to check. You were always thinking about fast.
No, last time you were like, oh, fast. Ambil salak.
No, babe. I'm not asking you to check.
I don't want. Come on, ambil.
Cuban Antrokan, Jojo taruh.
Pakai motor?
No, I don't know. But looks like this is concerned with the motorbike.
I think so too. Should I walk first?
Yeah.
Lagi. Ah, bisa bawa motor? Bisa bawa motor ke bawah?
Bisa.
Ah, bisa. Oke, babe. Bisa.
Jangan langsung.
Iya, kamu duluan. Ya, pelan-pelan aja.
Kamu mau?
Ya. Terima kasih. Ya.
Terima kasih.
Hati-hati selalu. Wih.
Oh.
Ah. Licin. Permisi, terima kasih.
Hati-hati kameranya.
Yeah, but I not put out the stick, I just had the small one.
Oh, the road's really small.
Okay, babe, should I check first? Saya.
Oh, kamu mau jalan, not left.
Wait, that's that. I cannot do that.
Just see the map from the where you sit down. Oh, you want to go down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
go
I'll take
first then.
Wait a second. This already fell out onto the roof.
You go first?
Ya, saya mau cek dulu.
Gak ada jalan ini, gak muat.
Tapi mereka bilang bisa lah. Hati-hati aja. Ah, ya hati-hati licin. Ya, this is parking. Boleh. Tapi babe, ya hati-hati di sini ya. Wah. Wah, where did I go? Ah.
Looks like this is abandoned.
Yeah, babe, only 6 reviews or so. Hey, masih bisa bawa motor, babe?
Huh?
No, I don't want. Park di sini aja.
Going down here already not normal for people. You still want to ask me to go down?
No lah. I already walk, babe.
No. I don't know how I'm gonna go up later.
Easy lah.
Little bit, how to say?
Narrow.
No, not narrow. It's like because it's too wet.
Babe,
What?
ini bawah.
Yeah, but I need to pay. You carry
Ini
this?
sudah ditutup.
Yeah, sudah, but you want me to carry?
Oh ya, can.
Yeah, but you bring camera, yeah?
Okay. Slippers? Baba?
Yeah, just bring
Okay, now I want to make this big, babe.
what? Yeah, you can make longer.
Cannot, babe.
Make it strong, babe.
Okay, maybe we start the video first.
Right.
Can? Okay, good.
Don't touch the lens, yeah?
Yeah, babe. I give you the thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Ya, dia bilang ya.
Ini apa namanya?
Ada Cuban Antrokan
Nih.
seperti ini.
Nggak ada ini ya, nggak ada tiket masuk ya?
Ya, tidak ada tiket, parkir bagus juga. Mungkin nanti kita camping di sini.
Kamu mau camping di sini?
Mungkin.
Bisa jadi.
So, di sini tidak bisa bawa motor.
Rusak.
Ya, nanti rusak lah. Ya wes.
Ini
Takut.
Enggak, ini jalannya
Hey,
udah
babe.
bambu-bambunya udah pada rusak.
I also want to make a video.
Ya, oke.
Yeah, babe.
I have the key and the jacket.
You leave the jacket with the key.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, babe, no.
Yeah, this is
Take the key. Like, this motorbike can start with when the key nearby, you know.
this is what I'm thinking. Tapi hati-hati ya. Ya, kamu
babe.
arahin ke depan, Bel. Kamu lihat kameranya juga.
Yeah, babe. Looks like we will go a lot of stairs.
Yeah, that will be next year.
Yeah, babe, hati-hati, legit. Then also gonna need it just good. Okay. Bisa membantu beli. Sama.
Sini seperti.
Ya, hati-hati. Ya, saya pikir sudah lama tidak ada orang.
Ya, Bel. Abandoned Waterfall.
Ya, saya suka.
Waterfall village.
You see? You already asked
Even
me.
in the waterfall village, you can find abandoned waterfall.
Yeah, he already asked me for my plan B. If this waterfall cannot.
Yeah, because nobody.
But my waterfall radar was right.
Yeah, the waterfall radar is always on.
And your camping spot radar. Look! Wow!
Yeah, but.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Look weird. Look like a crab. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Spider truck.
Yeah. Spider crab. Oh, listen. Hati-hati, babe. Jangan jatuh. I don't know. Maybe I want to go without my slippers. I have the feeling with slippers always.
No, as long as your filter is dry, babe, everything will be okay. Just don't make it wet. If it's wet, it will be
Slippery. Ya, babe. Di sini hati-hati.
Oh, this is really cool. And when we go down. Hey, babe, don't really hold the
Ya,
bamboo,
babe.
yeah?
But this is
Bamboo
good.
looks
No,
not
babe.
really-
I always say sudah coba.
Okay.
This bamboo still good, babe.
Yeah, okay.
Ui.
Not so bad.
Huh. Good way. Okay, I want to make one video. Saya pikir masih jauh.
Looks like this is extreme.
So guys, you think this is extreme?
Yeah, looks like it's the nature taking over the stairs already.
Yeah, good.
And then this is still on the hills. Not even down yet.
Yeah, I know. Oh, masih jauh. Tapi tidak apa-apa. Later we have a waterfall for us. There's one batu. It's not stable. The one next.
Yeah, sudah. I hope there's no rope or something that can go down, you know. But like, if it's like this until down, okay lah.
Yeah,
Maybe it's rope or something. Like impossible, you need to go down with the rope.
Tempat situ saya.
And this abandoned. Let it go up. Whoa. I can imagine how people first time making the
access.
Yeah, the access to go down.
Babe, wait, I want to make video from you. Coming down here. Oh.
The flower bag. This flower bag.
Babe, this flower bag.
Full of flower. And it's heavy.
Heavy. Berat.
Okay.
Berat dia bilang.
Kamu belum digigit nyamuk sama samuk?
Belum.
Kamu nggak digigit sama nyamuk belum?
Belum, babe.
Saya
Tapi
sudah.
pagi ini saya pakai banyak.
Oh,
Anjing.
pantas.
Oh, wah. Kita masih di atas.
Iya, masih di atas loh.
Wah, licin.
Kan suara terjun itu suara sungai.
Ya, babe, we will find the waterfall. Ya, ke bawah dulu.
Nah, bawa tas ini.
Bawa tas. Kamu mau saya bawa tas? Tidak apa-apa. Wah, licin. Hati-hati. Ya, mana air terjun?
Iya, tidak ada terjun, cuma suara sungai.
Babe, nanti ada. We just need to go down first. And then see.
Need to go down first. Maybe this abandoned because they're taking over the river. And the water is already gone.
Ya, kita lihat nanti. Bersama. Wah, but I need to get out of the slipper bed. My slipper's already wet.
Yeah,
Yeah, babe.
just put somewhere. You don't need to bring them. Yeah.
Okay. Saya pikir tonton di sini aja. Tanda saya. The road getting more better and more better.
Babe, I'm not sure, babe. I don't want to take really risk, you know.
Babe, ini masih bagus lah. Tidak mau pakai risk.
Bagus.
Ya guys,
Oh, the semua.
ini iyalah. Oh, we already go to a lot of really broken bridges, so this. Okay, only with the last one, be careful, babe. And take this one, this is really strong also. And leave your sandals up there, babe. Okay, guys. Kamu mau saya bawa tas, babe?
Sudah apa-apa, babe. Sudah saya rangkul nih tasnya.
Ya, suka tas ini. Dengan mung.